Right, today we're going to be making a new belt up for the lathe. I've got these joiners. Right, so first thing I need to do is, I found an old bit of the old belt. I'm going to connect that in there. That first, to make sure I've got my gaps right. And push that on there. And we need to make sure we've got everything level on that. Now there are proper tools for this, but I don't have one of them, so I've got a big hammer. Instead. That's the one on. Seems about right. We're going to do the other end. Now the other end, I have to go this way. So let's get that to be right. I pre-measured this. So that's the mark on this. I'm just going to put that so we've got a nice straight line across there. I've just got to cut him off. Yeah, that's it. Nice and square. These the same. That's going to have to go. These the same. Same side. So it's going to go there like that. Line these up. Do the same as I did with this one. Put that in there. Bar in. Push it right in. And then bring these two together. Got a nice strong connection there for the belt. Right, we've got the lathe. Now we'll thread this through here. Over the top. Pulley. Together. And a little joining pin, it's got little ribs on it which grip as you push it in. Pull it out. Like that. Okay. And it's tied up. Put some marking on the bar. Back. Okay, right, give it a little test run. Well, that seems to be working okay. All the belt's still nice and tight. Right, that's that job done for this time. Right. Next time we're going to try and fit the stop and start button on it. So make sure for safety. Right, thanks for watching.